Mystery. Classic Konami game. Our theme today, no BS. You can figure out what that means. We have $300 in the machine. We are gonna max bet this puppy. $10 a spin. Let's do it. And let me adjust my player's card here. It's not really working. There we go. Betting max, 10 bucks. Oh my God. Now if we had that symbol in the very front reel, we would have gotten like massive amount of free spins. The volume is very low. Let me get that up. We need, this is wild symbol. We need 3 of those in the first 3 reels, I believe. And the more you get, the more spins you get. We haven't hit anything yet. We're already down 100 bucks. Come on. Oh man. You could just get like a really good, decent line hit and have a really big win here. You don't have to hit the bonus to get a nice win on this game. That's why I like it. We're down half of our money though. We need that win pretty quickly now. There we go. It's our first win, I think. $21. Oh man, where were those shoes in the front reel? Come on, all the way. Oh, all right. 35, yep. Maybe it's slowly warming up to us. Okay. Another 30 bucks. Come on. These. Full screen. Man. Shoes all the way. Oh. Okay, another 35. Come on. Full screen of something. Full screen. Come on, we're max betting here. $2. Come on. Our theme is no BS. Recognize. Man, we have 5 more spins left, you guys. That was fast. Come on. Still have time. 3 spins. Oh. Man, last spin already? Save us. It didn't. Man, that was BS. Full mystery. Lightning dollar cash. Corrida de Toros. I love that. $300 in the machine. We're gonna bet $10 a spin. 50 line game. Here we go. Are those bulls wild then maybe? Maybe. Oh yes, they are wild. Oh yes. 5 of a kind guitars. Hey. I said it. $64. We're up. Ooh, I think maybe those are free game symbols? Bonus symbols? Let's find out. Ooh, we need 6 of those. We're liking this new lightning dollar cash machines, right? And we love the high limit room here at Yamaba. Oh, come on, let's get 3 of those. Oh. $10 a spin. We could play 100 lines, but we chose to do 50 lines at $10 a bet. A better payout for the lines. Ooh, nice. 4 of a kind, $23. Come on. Ooh, 3 more. My goodness, minors, 500. That would have been super, super nice. Let's bring that back. Those capes? Is that what they're called?
The thing he holds out.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, we're already almost down half of our money already. Oh. Oh, one more! Yes! We're down half of our money. Let's make it. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so we're at a profit already. Let's do it. Let's get one of those progressives. Oh, we got the mini for 100. All right. We're definitely at a profit. We want more cape. And 20 bucks. Oh, I saw another mini go by. Wouldn't mind another one to land. Oh. Last spin. Oh, yes. Another 50 bucks. Woo. Majors at $6,300. Oh, my God. I saw a $2,500. I'm going to just call it a cake. Oh, minor. Okay. Hey, we're at a profit. We'll take it. Oh, I like the music. We're definitely winners today. There we go. Nice profit today. $600 win. We were only down $150, so this is awesome. And a nice coin show to a nice. Man, we really love these lightning dollar cash games. We started out with 300. We're at 742. We're up 442. We're gonna do a couple of backup spins. Oh my gosh. I literally thought we were gonna. Let's do one more. Make it 725, and we are going home with the profit on Lightning Dollar Cash Corrida de Toros. I'm probably chopping that name.